Welcome to this unboxing video of Boya By-CM3 USB microphone. මම මේක දරාසකින් ඕඩර් කළේ දවස් 3කට කලින්. අද උදේ පැකේජ් එක හම්බුණා. අපි unboxing video එකට යමු. Let's get started. Nicely wrapped. This is the original box from Boya. The brand is labeled here. The model is labeled here By-CM3 desktop USB microphone. This is USB Type-C connectivity. Exceptional sound quality. And the specifications are labeled here. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's keep the box aside. Boya stickers. Warranty card. And this is the user manual. USB cable. This is a Type-C end, Type-A end. This is for the laptop or the computer, and this end goes to the microphone. And the microphone. And here's the microphone. It feels a bit heavy and it does not look cheap. It looks very premium. You can tilt it. The brand name is labeled here. The gain button is here. And the USB cable has to be connected here. Okay, it's time to test this microphone. Let's see how it sounds. Let's connect the microphone to the laptop. USB Type-C end goes to the microphone. And this end, the standard USB Type-A side goes to the laptop. I have connected the microphone to the laptop. There's a blue light here, you can see. Now we have to test the default input device of the default microphone. Let's go to sound settings. I can see Boya microphone has been selected as a default microphone. We don't have to set it manually in the Windows 11 laptop. Now let's open up the voice recorder application. Alright, now you hear me on the standard built-in microphone of the camera. Now this is how the Boya By-CM3 USB microphone sounds with no editing. I ordered this microphone for a special reason. If you can guess the answer to the question that appears on the screen, put it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and click the notification bell. Give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. I will see you soon in the next video.
birthday